Hello, today I'll take you to an interesting experiment that took place at Stanford University and helped us delve into the depths of human psychology, the Stanford Zimbardo Prison Experiment. This experiment was conducted in 1971 by Dr. Philip Zimbardo with the aim of testing the limits of human behavior. Before we delve into the experiment, it's important to understand its background and purpose. Dr. Zimbardo conducted this experiment with a group of volunteer students to understand how the prison environment could influence human behavior. Let's take a closer look at the design of the experiment. 24 volunteer male students participated in the experiment, which was a simulated prison environment. The students were randomly divided into two groups, guards and prisoners. Guards were tasked with enforcing prison rules and maintaining order, while prisoners had to obey the authority of the guards. At the beginning of the experiment, both groups seemed to fully adapt to their roles. However, over time, the unpredictable results of the experiment emerged. In the early days of the experiment, guards began to belittle, humiliate, and even subject prisoners to psychological torture. Prisoners, on the other hand, became increasingly passive and helpless. As an impressive example of how people behave when taking on specific roles, the experiment revealed that under certain conditions, moral boundaries could be crossed, and the influence of social pressure became evident. Furthermore, the experiment raised ethical questions and had a severe impact on the psychological and emotional well-being of the participants. Its results marked a significant turning point in the field of human psychology and social psychology. This experiment provides an intriguing model for understanding the factors that influence human behavior. It also underscores the limits of ethical experiments and the rights of participants. Today, the Stanford Zimbardo Prison Experiment remains a topic of debate and continues to offer many lessons. It serves as an important tool for understanding the complexity of human behavior and encourages us to question the boundaries of ethical research. This experiment offers a window into the depths of human psychology and demonstrates how individuals can be influenced by their environments and roles. However, it's crucial to remember the significant harm caused to the participants and the ethical questions it raises. Thank you for taking a closer look at this fascinating experiment with us. Don't forget to follow our channel to explore other interesting topics. Take care, and see you soon.